After a lengthy meeting, the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, or ACIP, recommended children ages 5 to 11 get the Pfizer COVID vaccine. This would make the vaccine one step closer to becoming available to 28 million children across the U.S., 300,000 right here in San Diego County.
I'm excited. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get my 8-year-old vaccinated as soon as they're available. Relief, really. I've been ready for a long time.
Lisa Payton, who has 2 daughters, says she's been waiting for this news for months. They've already had a scare at their daughter's school.
And it was scary. We were on edge. We're like, oh my God, she's sitting right next to this little girl who tested positive for COVID.
Dr. Christian Ramers with the Family Health Centers of San Diego says the approval doesn't mean children can get the vaccine immediately because it's different from the adult dose.
It's a slightly different formulation. It has a longer shelf life and the vials themselves are different. So it's not so easy just to say, oh, I'll just take a third of the adult dose. So they've actually, required smaller needles and smaller vials.
He says the rare side effect, myocarditis, which some believe is linked to puberty hormones, will be carefully tracked by the CDC and FDA.
That, I think, is something everyone's going to be watching, including the parents that are really on the fence right now.
Raymer says this decision is a game changer for combating the virus.
I know pediatricians across the country are absolutely excited because they've been seeing the suffering of the kids that actually end up in the hospital, those that go on with long-term symptoms. And then we've also known for quite some time that children can serve as vectors and can actually transmit the disease. Personally, I've taken care of 2 people that I can remember off the top of my head who have died because of COVID brought into the household from a child who brought it from school.
He urges parents to go to their pediatricians with questions about the vaccine, not the internet. Kitty Alvarado, KPBS News.